Located in eastern part of Kenya in Makueni County is Thwake Dam, or Thwake Multi-Purpose Water Development Program, which is a project of the Belt and Road Initiative jointly built by China and Kenya. Located in the vast location that is on a semi-arid land, this project is also the largest integrated water conservancy project currently under construction in Kenya. This project integrates dam, water supply, irrigation that will help mainly in agriculture and food produce, and power generation. As a key livelihood project, Thwake has brought positive economic and social compound effects to the overall development in this area. The region has spurred in terms of economic development. This ranges across various aspects such as water supply and grain increase, stimulating employment among the locals and updating infrastructure development in this area, which is also driving industrial development at the same time. Furthermore, the project has also brought tangible benefits to this area, not only in terms of the infrastructure development, but also in terms of employment, as 1.3 million Kenyan residents in the region and injected huge development momentum into the local area. We are now at one of the quarries where they're mining the rocks and the stones that are being used to build the walls that are going to be holding or retaining the water together. We are joined by one of the workers here who's going to introduce a little bit of what he does here. Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Please start with your name and tell me how long you have worked here and what you do.
Okay, my name's Dennis Mwendo. I've been working here for 3 years, and what I do here normally, I'm the supervisor. Normally what we do here, it's just kind of an quarry. This is where we get the stones to build the dam. Yeah, for example, you can see we have trucks, we have some excavators here, and the kind of work we do here is normally we transport the stones from the quarry to the dam site, where we are building our dam.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how many hours a day do you work? What time do you start and what time do you finish?
Okay, we do start at 7 o'clock and we do stop at 5:40 p.m.
Okay. So, for example, you can show us using an example right now what they're doing there exactly, and how many of these trucks maybe can be moved out of this quarry in a day?
Per day we normally do 700 to 800 trips. Now what you can see here, you can see the operators. They are trying to choose the quality rocks which are going to be used to the dam section. They are choosing from the larger rocks which they are putting, you can see here from the side here, and then you can see the small rocks which are being loaded to the trucks. So what they do here, they just choose the best stones, the best rocks which they can be used to build a dam so that we can have a quality dam. Yes.
Okay. So tell me also, it's very interesting. What type of stone is this? And it looks like you are actually sourcing all the materials from here. Is there anything else you're sourcing from outside, or everything is from within here?
Actually, this is the only source of our material. It's a very good stones. We have some lab technicians here, whereby we take our stones to the lab and then they measure if they are quality. If they are not quality, maybe we can choose some other area to excavate. Whereby today there is no blasting, but we do have blasting. So if the material is not good, what we normally do, we just take it to the dam site, whereby it's not needed. But if it's good, then we take it to the dam site.
Yeah. Okay, tell me something. So from all that, you seem to have a lot of information about your work. Do you enjoy your work?
Yes, I do, very much. Yeah.
So maybe you can tell me, how has this work helped you? How has it been working here, maybe in terms of improving your life or economically?
Economically, I can say it's doing me a lot of good than bad, because this is where I get my daily bread. My family is depending on me. So many people are depending from this dam. I can say it's a good thing that this dam happened in this area, because as for me, I'm a native from this area. So having been working here, it is helping me economically. The other people outside, it's also affecting them financially. All the people who are from within this region. So as in for me, I can say it has done more good in terms of employment. Then you can see we have learned so many things working with Chinese. For example, you can see I am a driver by profession, but since I've been working here, I've learned so many things. I can operate an excavator, I can do wheel loaders, so many things I've learned from this project. So it's affecting me so well.
Okay. So I'm wondering, this place is also known for being dry and for lacking water. How do you think this project is going to affect even your people, your relatives? What are they saying about it?
This project, it's a very good project. First, in this region, the Ukambani region, whereby this place normally is so dry. And having this dam around, it will boost the people within this area, whereby some will do some irrigations, we will have some clean water to drink. And then there is also some hydroelectric plant which is being built by the dam. So we can have in some few years to come, we will have electricity within this region and some neighboring regions. Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, as you've heard, ladies and gentlemen, that this project is highly anticipated by the local residents here. They're all looking forward because their lives will change in one way or the other, over and on top of the socio-economic impact it's having on the workers here. Working alongside the Kenyans that have gotten the opportunity to work here at the project are their Chinese counterparts who have been helping them and sharing their skills towards one objective, that is completing the biggest dam. We are joined by the chief engineer who will be taking us and giving us a brief introduction of the project. Welcome, sir.
Welcome.
Please give me your name and just a brief introduction of yourself and the project.
Okay, thank you. My name is Deng Yong, Chief Engineer of Thwake Dams. And Thwake Dam is consists of the main dams and two diversion tunnels and spillway and two center dam on the right bank side and left bank side. So now you can see we have already almost reached the top of the dams, and the diversion tunnels is already diversion. So after completing this project, the capacity of the reservoir is around 6.8 billion cubic meters, and also we will be power supply 20 megawatt. After the project complete, they will be provided the 1.3 million cubic meters to the Kenya peoples, and even irrigation of the land around 40 hectares.
Okay, maybe you can explain to us. We can see we are at a raised point of view. Maybe what does this mean? Does it mean, maybe you can show us just by pointing of hands where, until which area the water will be reaching? And is this one of the biggest dams in Kenya? Maybe you can explain.
After reservoir, the water levels should be lying 116.7. So it means we will be reached the top of the crest. Is here. You can see the concrete. The
Yes.
water level will be reached here.
Yes. Oh, that is very big.
Yes, that's the biggest of the under construction in Kenya. The height of the main dam is 80.5 meters. The width of the main dam is 1.5 kilometers, and the total backfill quantity is 12 million cubic meters.
Okay. So when did you start the project and when do you expect to finish it?
Actually, I come to Kenya is in 2019, and our plan is complete all the works in 2024 and in June.
Okay. As you have heard, upon its completion, the Thwake Dam is expected to be the largest dam in Kenya. Built on the Athi River, it will eventually hold 688 million cubic meters of water that will not only serve this Makueni area, but other neighboring areas such as the upcoming Konza City. It is expected to largely reduce the water shortage problem in the area. I am standing in one of the bridges that have come up as a result of this project that goes into helping the local residents here. They are using the bridge to cross from one side of the river to the other. They tell me before this, they would be at a danger of coming across crocodiles and hippos as they attempted to cross the Athi River. It is indeed a game changer, touted to empower lives of thousands of residents in the lower eastern region of Makueni, of Kitui, and parts of Machakos counties. The government of Kenya, through the Ministry of Water, Sanitation and Irrigation and funding, is in support of this project. It will also provide regulation of flows on Athi River downstream, which will help in the mitigation of floods and drought. We are now joined by the safety engineer at the Thwake Dam project. Welcome. Please start with your name, sir.
I'm Francis Mwema, in charge of health, safety and environment, Thwake Multipurpose Water Project.
Okay. So looking around, obviously we can see some natural beauty. I've seen crocodiles, I've seen hippos. Can you tell me what measures you took in order to protect the environment while still achieving the success of the project?
First of all, to make sure the water which houses the crocodiles, hippopotamus and fish, we make sure we don't pollute the water by not disposing any of the wastes from our construction work. In fact, our construction work has nothing which disposes to the river. We do water tests for any water which is being disposed to the river. And we do quarterly water analysis where we take water from upstream and downstream, and we take to Nairobi lab where we test if the project is polluting the water. Since 2019 October, and we have been doing that exercise, and we have never seen or gotten any pollution of the river.
Excellent. So you can confidently say you've not had any deaths of the animals or, the crocodiles and all that?
No any death recorded. Only one crocodile, only one hippopotamus which died, and it died from the fights. To conserve environment, we do tree planting. In addition, we also do, as a department, we go collecting wastes within the site and the towns neighboring the site. And we usually educate the villagers and community around the site on the importance of environment so that we can conserve this environment. These are the tunnels. We have two tunnels. On the right we have tunnel A, and on the left we have tunnel B. Each has 12 meters diameter, and one has a length of 931 and the other one has a length of 987 meters. So they are so long and huge, and it will accommodate the flow of the river when the dam is complete. Thwake Dam is a seasonal river, but during rainy season it's a very busy river, wild river. It brings a lot of water from Boni, Kaiti. It has a lot of water. So we are depending on that river to fill this dam.
So what does this mean? Does this mean that we've been suffering drought sometimes in Kenya? Do you think this project can help people in this region maybe to pass through such times comfortably?
After the completion of this dam, the reservoir will hold 680 million cubic meters of water, and that water will be used, will be distributed to parts of Makueni, Konza City, Kitui, and some parts of Machakos. So we will have a water treatment plant in this project, and we'll also have power generation, which will generate 20 megawatts of power, but most of the power will be used to pump water to those areas I've mentioned. So after the completion of this project, we expect people of Makueni, Kitui, and Machakos to benefit with what these are dry area, and everybody is expecting water after this project is complete. And we are sure once the project is complete, everybody will benefit from the water which will come from this place.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Since the construction of the Kenya Thwake Dam project began in 2018, corporate social responsibility projects have also sprung up, including the construction of 6 water wells, the renovation of 16 local primary and secondary schools, and the construction of 9 new hospital function buildings and pharmacies, and the repair of main roads. Today, the local residents have a better learning environment, enjoy better medical conditions, cleaner and safer drinking water, and local transportations. All these have greatly been improved. And now we are joined by the local area chief who will be telling us more about how these CSR projects have helped them. Welcome, madam. Please start by introducing yourself.
Yes, I'm Stella Makueni Mutuku, the area assistant chief of Katithi sub-location. I'm grateful to host you today.
Okay, so tell me, how many people live in this area, and how do they feel about this project?
We have more than 500 people, households, whereby they have all benefited from this water kiosk. They have recently been traveling to Thwake Dam, whereby they were carrying almost 6 hours, but now they are saving time. They are drinking safe water. Yes.
So you want to tell me before this, they were actually traveling for 6 hours to go and fetch water?
They were traveling for 6 hours to and fro. And now they are saving time. They are drinking safe water. They are very happy.
Okay.
Yes.
Perhaps you can explain to me what it is they are doing here, and do they take turns? I mean, 500 people is many people. How does it work?
Now, this kind of kiosk has created a job for watchman for the borehole. We have created job for the water kiosk attendant, whereby she takes time to open the kiosk at 8 a.m. every day to 5 p.m. every day, whereby those people with dangas and others with cats, they usually come here, fetch water, go home.
So besides the drinking water, what other uses does this water help in?
Many people at their homes, they have prepared kitchen gardens. You find they have sukuma wiki, mchicha, cabbages at their home. Now they are saving money. They are only buying cooking oil, onions, and so forth. And you find that this water also help in cows and drinking, goats and drinking from here. Yes, so it is so useful.
Okay, so this is actually a water trough?
Yes, it is a water trough. But mostly the person who uses it is the person who produced and who volunteered the land to be dunked near the borehole.
Okay, so I just want to understand how many animals approximately do you think benefit from this water trough?
Almost 300. 300.
Is there something else you'd like to tell me about the CSR projects in the area?
In the area, we have many because they renovated many classrooms. They also renovated Mafindini Health Center. Now it is now level 4. They needed renovation to that hospital. So which has a catchment area of very many. Even through this borehole, they are feeling well. Even they are urging to be introduced, then to be increased, the boreholes to be increased more. Because the catchment here area is very big. Unaona hiyo mlima? Many people come from that area. So they are requesting if they can be added other 2 boreholes. It can be better.
Okay, because the area here, when did you last? Does it rain oftenly?
What?
Does it rain oftenly?
Rain? No, it doesn't rain oftenly. We receive rain twice per year. Twice per year.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so as you have had the water boreholes and other CSR projects being done by the Chinese company as they continue finishing the Thwake Dam project is benefiting so many families in this area and actually helping and improving the learning conditions of even the school-going children around here. Like them, there are many others who are enjoying, so to speak, the dividends of this project construction, taking advantage of the abundant water and additional electricity that the dam will bring. The Kenya government has also planned more land nearby for the extensive development for farming, livestock and agro-processing industries, which will add value to agricultural products and help generate income in the region. Under the Belt and Road Initiative, the China-Kenya cooperation is getting deeper and deeper. From the original blueprint to today's reality, it has translated into real results for the development of countries and benefits of the people.
Flexible, this one is meaning it is not a man that is going to come. Flexible,